Sprezzatura. Now there's a word for you, huh? It's Italian. It's a word that perfectly captures the Italian art of effortless style. Or, as you'll see in a second, it's studied carelessness. Sprezzatura. It means looking cool without even trying. And when I saw this video, I thought, oh my God, I have to share this. So check this out.
I studied old school Italian style legends, and they all followed the same style playbook. Sprezzatura. It started in the 16th century when Baldassare Castiglione, an Italian diplomat and writer, first used the word to describe how noblemen should behave. In clothing, sprezzatura means studied carelessness. You learn the rules, then break one. A pocket square that looks tossed in, an open collar with the top button undone, a wrinkled linen shirt, loafers worn without socks, a blazer thrown over the shoulder, or a scarf that's casually draped. It's not careless, it's a deliberate imbalance. The base is clean, and the chaos is the accent. An open collar looks intentional because the suit fits well. Sprezzatura works because it's a form of controlled vulnerability. Psychologically, we're more drawn to people who seem confident, but not obsessed. Because perfect outfits can feel intimidating. And that's why in today's world of over-polished looks, sprezzatura still matters.
That's sprezzatura. In Italy, style isn't what you wear, it's how you wear it. Think of it like il dolce far niente, but in the context of clothing and fashion. And if you like this kind of creative inspiration, you will feel right at home at Fashion Premier Academy. I'll see you in class.